We're showing you a desk, a living room, a bedroom light, a hotel type light that you could bring on out and adjust to the height you want. You have a remote control that you could turn the light on from 2700 to 65,000 Kelvin. These are the different types of controls. In order to get the light to work, we'll show you in a few seconds how to set it up. You have for different lights, 1 and 2. You have here is a reading mode that would dim down. You have a timer mode that will flash for 30 minutes. And you have here the changing of kelvins, as you can see. You have here the adjustments of kelvins. And then you have the adjustments of brightness and dimness. And then off. We're going to show you how simple this is to hook up. So let's grab ourselves the bracket. You're going to align it up and level it. You're going to find a spot on the wall where you want it. Remember, you can hardwire or cord wire. That is your option. You have the base that's going to go on. You have the thumb bolts that are going to lock down. You have plastic clips that you're going to peel off. And you're going to stick onto the wall like so. We need to assemble the lampshade. It's very easy. You unravel, grab one of the wires, and you're going to snap on and rotate around. There are 3 clips. You're able to get your hand to change the bulb. And this side goes to the socket. You want to make sure you put this one on correctly. Find the clip, snap in, and you have Velcro on one side. You're going to Velcro close. You're then going to take the lampshade, place it on. You're going to take the socket and place it on. And I'm going to take the lampshade off so you can see where the socket is going. Last but least, the E26 bulb, place on. Your first time, the light will come on, shut off. With the remote control and on the setup button, within 5 seconds, turn the light on and long press the setup. 1, 2, 3. When the light flashes, let go. Hit the off. We're set up. You have 1 and 2. In order to set up 1 and 2, you're probably going to hit the setup and 1 and 2 the same particular way by hitting the on and off. Turn the light on, hold the 1, and now we hit the on and off and on. We've shown you the remote control, how it worked at the beginning. This is the remote control manual switch. It turns it off by a click and on to the next Kelvin at 1 level. You could turn it the opposite way, nothing's going to happen. It only goes clockwise, on and off. I hope you enjoy your product. If this is something that you are looking for in a nice dress lamp.